Hello and welcome to FPV with G.O.D. Oh, yes. The plan, fly this little guy around that big guy, while this middle-sized guy is parked so that you can get a shot of this guy flying around without this guy hitting this guy. Thoughts? Social distance?
Let's not do this.
Oscar is flying the Phantom. I'm about to take this off. You're too close! COVID, too close! Am I anywhere near the Phantom?
You're not. Just stay in that vicinity and you'll be okay. Pretty good.
I think I'm a little bit nervous.
You are. Alright.
Well,
Whoa, that was close.
that was too close. Well,
Whoa, that was close.
that was too close. One more time.
Alright. Whoa, that was sketchy, bro. You got super close to that bush. Alright.
One more try.
One more try. Whoa, that was awesome.
All right, one more. I got a little bit battery left.
Oh, man.
A little bit. One more.
You're so good at that, bro.
All right, coming in for a landing.
But you got good control, bro.
For those watching, I'm landing in Acro, which is not okay. Yeah! Woohoo! Air high five. That's so fun! Well, that's it. I think it went well. Thanks for helping me, Oscar.
Excellent. Anytime, man.
This is a great location. I hope you know that I was very conscious of where we are, and I was respectful. So please don't be cross with me. COVID high five. There we go. Thanks for flying the Phantom, Jamie. Until next time, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Bye.
Bye.